So I've got several updates, and I figured, since I'm killing time at Starbucks, enjoying a nice decaf cappuccino, because decaf cappuccinos with almond milk are what you do when you get old. But it's really good. I'd give you an update on the beta. So I've taken some new pictures, a few videos. I've added what I would prefer to say is a TV, but it's a tablet holder. But it works really, really well. Netflix, YouTube, all that nonsense. Bug screens, begun to label everything. I think a lot of things. And some kind of goofy things. Like, I have tree snails living in my van. Like, real tree snails. Anyway, if you want to know more about that, just watch it. And by the way, please like and subscribe to the channel. I need 100 people. That's all I need.
Travel to Mars or sleep beneath the stars, or I can buy you a drink, maybe at the bar around 2. And that's when I'll see you, just crying in the corner, making old news out of somebody who used you. But not be bought. I want so many things I haven't got. I know we don't like the same people, but I know there's something there. You said it for yourself, but only say it if you dare. So when it's over, you say I'll see you next year. We can meet up someday, taking a guess at what that means. We're probably going nowhere, just a slip in the seams. Let's get higher, let's fight through all this fire.